Title: Seniors, just one daily habit to restore muscle strength like you're 40 again. By age 80, your muscle mass may be reduced by half compared to your younger years. This condition, known as sarcopenia, affects over 50 million older adults worldwide and often leads to falls and a loss of independence. But here's the surprising part: researchers have found that severe muscle loss with age isn't inevitable. Some individuals in their 70s and 80s maintain the strength, functionality, and appearance of someone decades younger. So, what's their secret? It turns out most seniors are unaware of simple habits that can help delay or even reverse age-related muscle loss. According to researchers at Harvard and the Mayo Clinic, a few overlooked strategies can make a huge difference. 7. Embrace hormetic stress. Superagers, those who maintain excellent strength into their 80s, regularly engage in hormetic stress. This includes short bursts of cold exposure, like ending a shower with 30 to 60 seconds of cold water, using saunas or hot tubs to activate heat shock proteins, intermittent fasting, eating within an 8 to 10 hour window, and performing intense isometric exercises like pushing against an immovable object for a few seconds. These mild, controlled stressors activate longevity genes and support muscle maintenance without overwhelming the body. 6. Time your protein intake. Most seniors know they need protein, but few realize timing matters. Instead of consuming most of their protein at dinner, spreading intake across all meals aiming for 25 to 30 grams per meal boosts muscle protein synthesis significantly. Foods like eggs, yogurt, lean meats, fish, lentils, and beans should be included throughout the day. A study found that seniors who followed this method gained over a pound of muscle in 12 weeks without any other lifestyle changes. 5. Optimize vitamin D levels. Vitamin D is essential for muscle health, yet over 80% of seniors are deficient. It activates genes that build and maintain muscle mass and plays a role in balance and coordination. Ideal levels are above 40 nanograms per milliliter. Most seniors require 2,000 to 4,000 IU per day, especially as the skin's ability to synthesize vitamin D decreases with age. To improve levels, combine safe sun exposure with supplementation and vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified dairy. Don't forget about vitamin K2, which helps calcium reach your bones instead of your arteries. 4. Keep inflammation low. Chronic low-grade inflammation, termed inflammaging, accelerates muscle breakdown. Seniors with higher inflammation markers lose muscle 3 times faster than those with low levels. Superagers combat this through quality sleep, gut-friendly diets rich in plant diversity and fermented foods, moderate exercise, not too intense, and anti-inflammatory nutrients like omega-3s, curcumin, green tea, and olive oil. 3. Prioritize key micronutrients. Magnesium, creatine, methylated B12, zinc, selenium, and chromium all support muscle function, protein synthesis, and nerve-muscle communication. Superagers eat magnesium-rich foods, dark greens, nuts, seeds, supplement with creatine, 3 to 5 g daily, and ensure proper B12 absorption, often hindered with age or medications. These nutrients act as facilitators. Without them, even a high-protein diet and exercise won't fully protect muscle mass. 2. Strengthen neuromuscular connections ***. Muscle strength also relies on the nerves that activate them. Neuromuscular junctions weaken over time, reducing your ability to use muscles efficiently. Superagers preserve these connections with coordination-heavy activities like Tai Chi, dancing, or table tennis and movements that challenge both body and brain. They also use brain-supporting nutrients like alpha-lipoic acid and acetyl-L-carnitine, and practice breathing techniques, like box breathing, to stimulate the vagus nerve. Cognitive exercises further protect neuromuscular health. 1. Practice progressive resistance training. This is the single most powerful habit for preserving muscle. Walking and light exercises aren't enough. Superagers focus on progressive resistance training, which gradually increases in intensity. Key principles include: intensity over duration, push muscles to the point of fatigue for maximum benefit. Compound movements exercises like squats, rows, and deadlifts work multiple muscles and joints. Progressive overload, track your workouts and aim to increase weight, reps, or difficulty over time. Eccentric focus, lower weights slowly to build strength with less joint strain. Even older adults who started late in life gain strength, muscle mass, and improvements in cognition and bone density within 12 weeks of consistent training. Conclusion: muscle loss with age isn't guaranteed. Through simple but powerful habits like smart stress